Welcome to Fun Python project. In this video, we are doing another thing involving images. So we want to convert images to PDF. Imagine that you have a folder that contains maybe JPEG files or PNG files or something, or or you have your pictures together in a folder and you want to make a PDF document out of those images. That's exactly what this is about. Let's see how this works. Okay, so you want to convert images to PDF. First of all, if you look at the code, right? Of course, here a we need a function called uh, img to PDF, right? So we need to install that. So we start with that installation, and as that installs, okay, it says we should manage session. Too much load on it, so we can terminate those sessions we are not using. So terminate sessions and then we can close. So we are good to go now. So I can run this now, image img to PDF. Okay. But while that is happening, we have so we now import that image to PDF. Then we also need the OS here. All right. So I mean that's working up there. So we then define the inputs image folder and output PDF file. So image folder now, we call that folder images. Of course, we have to make sure that folder is here. So if I click on this now, you see we don't have that folder here already. So I already have some images I want to upload. So I click on this and I go to this folder now. So I want to use this 5 images. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. These 5 images. Okay. So I upload them there. And it says I should ensure I have the mail. So cool. Because normally once that is done, you won't see it again. Then I right click this and I do a new folder. Then I call that folder images, exactly the way it is spelled here. Okay. And into that folder called images, I need to put all the pictures I want to use there. All the pictures, I have to put them in images. So if I do this now, you see all the pictures I have 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. There's fun Python projects too. I want to bring it in there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. So now that that is done, so once this code is run now, I'm going to have the output now is going to be output img. Okay, well, instead of calling this, I can even call it collage. Okay, let me just call it picture collage if I like. So maybe you want to make a picture collage, just put your pictures in it. So you can use this practically. Just put your pictures into a folder, then upload all the pictures, put them into the folder, just like what I did here now. So I uploaded everything, then I put them inside this images folder or whatever you want to call this I mean, it doesn't have to be images. You can rename it anything. Just make sure that the folder you're using has the same name as these images here. And the output, call it whatever you want to call it. So here I've chosen to call it picture collage, right? So you now need to get a list of images files in the folder. Get a list of image files in the folder, just like what I did. You might want to add sorting here if needed. So if you want to sort, if you like, then you have image files. If os path dot is directory image folder, you know that image folder, right? Then for entry in os, scan direct image folder. If entry is file and entry, all these plenty things. It can take PNG, JPEG, JPG, JPEG, web, PMB, TIFF. It's going to take all these formats of pictures. Then you can then have image underscore files. Then you append to this image file you have opened right here to that. So else you can print error image folder is not found. So if the image folder is not found, to tell you that. But in this case now, just be sure that you have that folder called images and any pictures you want in there, just put them. So if image files, try sort image files if needed, optional. Image files dot sort, basic alphabetical sort if you like, then create the PDF. So if you want the pictures to appear in a particular order, so it's better you name them that way so it can be in alphabetical order so it can be sorted accordingly, right? So then you can create the PDF with open output PDF WB as F dot write image to PDF dot convert image file. So whatever you have in that image file, then print successfully created PDF. I mean, that takes a very short time to do, except as exception, error creating PDF. So if you couldn't create the PDF, then you can just go ahead and say error. Then else print no supported image files found in the folder if there's none like that. So I'll just go ahead and run that, and it happens within a short time. Okay, so you see, says one image contains an alpha channel computing separate of blah blah blah. But it successfully created all the same, the photo picture collage. So I just come back and I see the picture collage. So if I check this out now, see what it does. So it puts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see the first two are the same. That's why it doesn't look like it's moving. But if you check, how can we check this now? Yeah. If you check, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I mean, one, 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I mean, for it to be easy for you to identify, it's better you so you can see it has 5 pages, right? So maybe I can scroll this way to make it clearer. So this is, or let me, okay, I'm trying to see. Okay, let me just do it this. Can I do it this way? Okay, this is the last. Okay, this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1. Sorry, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. So that's how that goes. So, I mean, all you just need to do is create the folder, put the pictures inside, and then you're good to go. We can also open it by the side. Oh, okay, it's automatically download. So that's fine. Okay, so that's what that is about. So we have some notes here. So if you want each page to be A4 or letter with margins, you can set fit to page equals true. So I think we have fit to page somewhere. Uh, fit to page. I think we have fit to page somewhere. Oh, okay. I think we don't have it. It's not here. Fit to page. Okay, I think this is for another thing. So I can as well just delete these notes. They are totally not necessary because this one just does the work efficiently. So yeah, that's how this is going to be. It ends up giving us this beautiful PDF file where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Doesn't look like anything is changing, but it's definitely working. So that's the end of this video about how to make having a set of images. So if you have 20 pictures, 30 pictures, you want to make them into a PDF document, this is very handy for you. Okay, very useful for you. Feel free to make use of this. You find it pretty useful. All right. So let me know how helpful this is for you. If there's something you'd like me to try out, feel free to let me know. If you have subscribed already, thank you so much. If you have not, of course, you want to go ahead and subscribe right now so that you don't miss anything I have going on here anymore. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can always get alerted each time a new video is released. All right. Having done that, of course, you also want to become a member of the channel by clicking on join, and that comes with some special privileges. Okay, feel free to avail yourself of that opportunity. Ultimately, don't forget to comment, like, and share. All right, um so that more people can have access to the great content I have going on here. Till I come your way again, keep doing Python right. Bye.